Okay. So, in light of National Stuttering Awareness Week, wanted to get some more info out there about what you guys might want your listeners to know about stuttering. So, Hannah, why don't we start off with you and you can share that?
So one thing I would want people to know is that stuttering is very random. I can have trouble on one sound today, and then tomorrow, it'll come out pretty easily. Um, and then the other thing that I would want people to know is that stuttering, at least for me, it doesn't increase when I'm nervous, and nervousness isn't the cause of it. Like I stutter at home and with my family, and it's just, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. Great information. Okay, Fong, what about you? What would you like your listeners to know, the people out there?
I would like them to know that they should treat a stutterer just like a normal normal person. Don't be mean to them. Don't be rude to them. But at the same time, they don't need to feel sorry for them. And yeah, just treat them like a normal person. Good or bad. So
All right. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let's do one more thing, which is how you define success regarding speech, communication, stuttering. How do you define success? Hannah, why don't you start us off?
So in terms of during, I define success is not overthinking the way that I talk. Find that a lot of the time when I overthink it, I use a lot of avoidances, and I think success for me would be to just talk, and not over analyze everything, and just, I guess, kind of talk how I would assume people who don't stutter talk, without all these mind, um games or tricks.
Hmm. Awesome. Love that sharing. Okay. Beautiful. Fong.
what I believe in success is that I'm more accepting of myself. Even though I'm seeing a speech therapist and I'm improving on my fluency skill. But at the same time, you can do that and accept yourself and who you are. And I think a part of big part of therapy is going to meeting in a group and just accepting of everybody's, fluency. And I think that's a big part of therapy too. It's not just trying to improve your communication and fluency skill.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. And on that note, because talking about some of the fluency skills you've worked on, and this is Stuttering Awareness Week, but cluttering is another quote fluency um, disorder. We could put that in quotes too, that
Mhm.
that people deal with, and that's something that you've worked on, and some of the fluency strategies are around that. Is there anything? I know I'm totally putting you on the spot here, but is
Right.
there anything about cluttering that you would want to educate the public about, or
Yeah,
things you would
yeah,
want listeners to know about cluttering? Yeah.
yeah, sure. Cluttering is not as common as stuttering, and I would say most people don't know about it. A lot of stutterers also have cluttering, like me. Very people have cluttering alone, And it's one of the things that's not very common, so most people would not know about it. Like I myself only found out about it probably 3 or 4 years ago. But before that, I just thought that I talked fast, and yeah, it's not very known.
Yes, yes. And so there's some different strategies that can help with speech clarity and um, uh, increasing intelligibility and being understood, and being able to calibrate the mind to the brain to be able to hear, right? Because a piece of cluttering is not just a rapid or irregular rate of speech, but is also um, not hearing in your own brain how it sounds to the outside listener. And so there's a lot of work that we dig in that area too. So
Mhm.
yes, all right. Thanks for bringing that to light. And thank you guys for sharing a bit on this National Stuttering Awareness Week. We can just tell everybody happy National Stuttering Awareness Week. Ready? Let's do it on three. 1, 2, 3. Happy
Happy
National
National
Stuttering
Stuttering
Awareness
Week.
Week.
Awareness Week.
Woo! All right. Good job, you guys.